Hello! Hello! What's up guys, my name is Shockz. Welcome to another Beatbox different video. Hello, my name is Kianush and welcome to his channel. Today I want to teach him beatbox. He knows a little beatboxing.
I know a lot of beatboxing.
So he wants to teach me beatbox. He knows a little beatboxing, but I want to teach him harder sounds. Nothing is hard for me, bro.
Yes, of course.
You know. Okay, now do some beatboxing before and after video. Okay, let's go. Bro time. Yes, that was it. Yes. Okay, now let's go for
Teaching.
teaching. Yes, teaching. The first sound in the beatboxing is kick, as you know, or the P snare, some people say. But he knows that. But I want to teach you, so you can learn that too. Try to say a word that starts with B, like bank, but say that very hard. Bank. Okay, nah, bank. Okay, now turn it to. That easy. This is so easy. The second sound is T snare or hi-hat. Try to say a word that starts with T, like tennis, and say that very hard. And percussive. Tennis. Yes.
I can't say tennis. I can't say
Oh, yes. That's very easy. Now let's go for the third sound, and after that we want to make a beat with that three sounds. Okay. The third sound is K snare. That's so easy. Try to do that. Yes. Don't say that with the top of your mouth. It's behind it. It's here. Really? Yes. Not. No. It's behind it. It's up. I don't know how to say it. With practice, you can make that louder. Now, let's make a beat. First beat. Easy. No. Okay. No. See, beatboxing is that easy. Yes. And you can
Enjoy yourself.
This shit I'm out. Fuck this shit I'm out. No thanks.
and you can enjoy your life with easy beatboxing. Yes. Okay, now a harder beat. You can turn that into tss. Yes. That's very good. And that's exactly how you are at first when you're practicing it, like him. I'm master at beatboxing. Yes, okay, that's enough bullshit. But he knew these sounds. Now let's go for new sounds that he don't know. Okay. One sound that I use a lot is this one. That can make your beat much better and funnier. Funny? Am I a joke? Can you do that? See my lips? No, it's just the pressure on your mouth. Bro, I can do that. Yes. Look at my face. Yes. Yes, it's a little air and pressure on your mouth. Make it very tight. Very tight. Tighter. That was a hard sound, but let's go for the next sound. Okay, now let's go for the next sound. It's BMG. Hold the air in your mouth like this, like a monkey. What? What the fuck? And bring that out with a very hard pressure like this. Yes, something like that, with more pressure. Have you seen the babies doing something like this? Do that. And hold the air here. Bro, what is that? It's the way of practicing beatbox. It's funny. Okay, that was the BMG. It's a hard sound. It's take a long time to get it, but he's doing it very well. Okay. Next sound. It's PFSR. It's one of the easiest sounds. If you know that, you can add F at the end of it, and it's. You know that. Don't make it long. Stop it. No.
Ah, yes, it's coming, it's coming.
That's what she said. You're making it, sorry. Yes, that's it. And with practice again, you can make that much better. And don't forget to drink water while practicing beatbox, because it's so much important. That makes your beats softer, cleaner and better. Now let's make an easy beat with PFSR and kick and those things. Okay. Say it again. It wasn't the same actually. Don't confuse that. Again. You're making it harder. Okay, slow. Say that. You know those sounds. The process of learning beatbox is so much funny. Say it again. Say it again. Let me write it first. It's so much easy. See? Say the first part. No. Okay. Okay. New music. New song.
Stop it.
That was basic sounds. Now let's go for advanced sounds. Lip roll, my lovely sound that I'm very skillful in it. Okay, the first thing you should do is pick a side of your mouth. Right side or left side, choose. Right? See? I'm right. Okay, you are right, I understand that. So drop your jaw to the left, something like that. A little. And try to suck your lips inward without any air. With the just lip pressure. Can you understand that? No. Something like this. At first it's something like this. Okay, try to turn that into zipper. Suck the air in. Yes, that was close. Okay. Yes, a little tighter. Tighter. It's a very small, or you can do it with medial left or wherever you want. Some people do with middle. I can do that. Yes, that's zipper. Okay, now do this. Nice. That sounds nice. Okay, and one more sound that can help your beats get better. Throat bass. Okay, let's go for throat bass. He's depressed.
I can't do anything, bro.
These beatbox sounds are for 1 year actually, and I'm teaching you in 1 minute. How do you cough? Can you feel that vibration? Keep that and make it longer. Try to make Batman sound. Hello. Hello. Yes, but make it deeper from downer, you know, it's chest bass.
I'm burping.
Hello. Yes. Make sure to drink a lot of water while learning this sound because your throat will burn. After practicing 1 year, my throat still burns. So you want water? Now the last beat with all these sounds that I taught you. Try to make this beat. Can you mix that with in the same time? Okay, make a beat from yourself.
Let me.
But add those new sounds to it.
I can't.
I've teach you. That's okay. Yes, and make a beat with all these things. That was nice. That's okay. I accept it from you. Okay. Let's keep the other tutorials for the next episode.
Yes.
If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to drop a like for me for supporting.
Okay, guys, he's not here. Let me talk with you guys in private. You know, beatbox is so hard, but with practice, you can learn it very well. So, don't forget to practice every day. And if you want me in his videos, please drop a like and comment my name.
Take care, drink water.
Have a nice day.
Pleasure,